So let's begin. By default, no file is opened automatically when you start the program. To create a new file, you must click on File, New, or click the New File icon in the main toolbar. This will open the new SolidWorks document wizard. So let's try it. Go to Start. Here is our SolidWorks. As you can see, this is the startup window. Okay, it's loading. User interface components. This is the 2006 version, SolidWorks Premium. Now it's starting SolidWorks and loading add-in. This is our user interface. As you can see here, no document is opened by default. We can create a new document by going to this menu. Just hit new document and you will see the three components that we talked about earlier. Bar, which is a 3D representation of a single design component, or assembly, which is a 3D arrangement of parts and or other assemblies. This is the drawing, which is a 2D engineering drawing typically of a part or assembly that will show all the dimensions. So this is the first way to open a new document. The second way will be by going to this arrow. As you can see here, a new window or a new toolbar will open up for us. Let's stick it by clicking here. As you can see, you can stick it or unstick it using this icon, but I prefer sticking it. You can click File, New, and this same new SolidWorks document window will open up for you. You can choose part, assembly, or drawing. Usually you'll start with a part, then if you have multiple or more than one part, you can group them together in assembly. And if you want to prepare the design for printing or for creating that design, you will create a drawing for it. That's it for the new SolidWorks document window, or how to create a new document in SolidWorks. As you can see here, this toolbar has very basic icons. This is the new document, and this is the open. You can open an existing design. This is for save, print, undo, revert the last action. This is the select button. This is to rebuild your design in case you made any modification. This is the file properties, which display the properties for your SolidWorks file. This is the option menu. As you can see here, it has a gear icon. You can adjust the user interface for SolidWorks by going through this menu, as you can see here, but you don't usually need to do this. So let's start a new document window. For now, File, New. Let's choose new part, then click OK. Okay, this is our new part window. As you can see here, this is our working area. This is our Explorer. As you can see, here's the front panel, top panel, right panel. You can choose any of these panels to sketch on them. We will talk about this in more details in the next lesson, but for now, let's save our document by going to File, Save As. Then let's go to our SolidWorks section. Okay, we don't need a new folder. Just name it first part. That's it. Hit save. Okay, see you next lesson.